Hey guys, so welcome to the members area of the website. And if you're here on the free membership, welcome. And we are thrilled to have you with us. Now, for the free members, what you need to realize is most of these side of the site on the left column will not be available to you. You can access the beginner zone, advanced zone, or professional zone from the top, but all this stuff listed on the professional zone, you most likely will not have access to it. Now, if this is your first time, after going to the first page, which is a barrier when you come in, you should be able to see this. You just need to click on the image once you log in, and then it will bring you here. And next thing you need to do is click Start Course. It will give you options of beginner, advanced, or professional zone. You can go directly to any zone that you want by just clicking on it. But if you're starting out afresh, I would recommend clicking the Start Course when you first start the come on the website. Then you go to the beginner section. So you click on beginners, it will take you to the beginners barrier, and then you click on the image and get it into where you start your program. So there's a few clicking, and then you get to start learning how to trade. So you click the image. Wait for that to load. And you will see this section. Now, each section is a different video, and each video will teach you about different things. So the beginner section, you have, if I'm not mistaken, quite a few videos here. You have, I think, upwards of 12, 14 videos here in total, or maybe more. And what you do is you learn about, the basics of the market. For example, what is buy, what is sell, buy stop, buy limit, and all of that stuff, Then you learn about stop loss, take profit, your trends and trend lines. You learn about your support and resistance, supply and demand, indicators, exponential moving average, some of my favorite, consolidation trading, pullback and retracement. So breakout, money management. You learn basically the core. These are the cores you need to be able to understand trading. If you know these parts, you're good. You're literally good to go. You know majority. You know what 95% of the market knows, basically. It's a rough estimate, but I assure you know what most of them already know. And that will take you to the level of saying, okay, I know what most people know. Now I want to go trade. But what will happen is you don't want to use just that, the beginner section. There's more for you, right? When you can get more knowledge, why not go for it? So we're gonna go back to the members lounge by clicking this top right here. And this time around, we'll use the left menu to go to the advanced section where you see more stuff that we get to teach you. And most other courses, they have these stuff and these same exact stuff they teach you for a huge amount of money. I mean, there was one time that other people were running selling courses for just doji candles. And all of these stuff we put it here for free for you guys, made it free for you to be able to, manifest your own reality in 2024 or whichever year you're watching this from. So next thing you do is click on advanced zone. Right there, it takes you to the advanced section. And then you can also start, your trading from that, trading education from that section. So the advanced section has, videos such as what is news, indicator types, average true range. This is very important. You have PZ, support and resistance. You have day trading, checking money flow. You have order block, candle wick average, EMA crossovers, consolidation indicator. So these are also core. This is like another core section that you have to pay attention to because these stuff now moves you above the normal 95% and start moving into that little cluster of 5% people that are out there understanding a little bit more on the technical. This is mainly on technical aspect. Then we'll go back again to members lounge after you watch all these videos here. I mean, you can also access this from here, doing educational videos and do professional educations. So you have three ways to get to these videos for beginners, advanced, and professional. You can go from the start menu at the top, or from the menu at the left-hand side, or from the menu engulfed into the members lounge menu, which you'll be able to then watch the professional side of or advanced side of beginner side of the educational platform. So I hope this video literally helps you with your trading, and it helps you navigate the website better. If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment or leave a question on Telegram, and we'll be there to get in touch with you. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy trading.